Happy 4th of July, Independence Day.
We are on our way to church. It's going to be a great morning. The weather does not look like it's going to hold out for a great 4th of July. It is 75 degrees out and foggy here in Florida. And we're hoping it's going to pass, but I did look at the weather and it does say that it's going to have a 75 to 80% chance of rain all day. We're going to have my daughter come over with our grandkids in a little while, and we're going to have a barbecue, and I'll bring you along our day.
That my son from Tokyo tried to jump in on that, okay? And when he tried to jump in on that, he knocked me offline, okay?
Right to me, and I'm glad we stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God.
Just got here, and it is 4th of July, and we are gonna have the most delicious dessert. We call it the ho-ho cake. So let me show it to you through this. We have to refrigerate it, but check that out. I just want to have a little bite because it looks so good. So we're gonna get ready to go swimming. We're gonna hop in the pool with the grandkids, and then we are gonna have delicious chicken on the grill. There you go. There's two going. Swing them around or do something. Is it ready? Happy 4th of July, Kenna. Is that for the sparklers? Can you try it?
Here.
I don't think she's gonna.
You can do it.
You can do it, Kenna.
It's very difficult later. Hold it. Hold it good.
Yay, Kenna!
Good job.
Yay, good girl!
Wow! It's getting closer. When's it gonna stop? Well. Woo!
Pick it up, Ellen, pick it up.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Okay.
Whoa.
That wasn't smart.
You didn't grab it inside.
Yay!
Yay! Good job, Kenna.
All right,
Good
my
job.
turn.
Oh, no, go to the grass.
Go to Papa. Let me help you.
No, baby. Oh.
Make sure you grab it.
Got it?
Here it goes.
It's coming, it's coming.
Yay! Good girl.
Woo!
Yay!
Look at this, Mommy.
Good job, Kenna. Happy 4th of July.
Yay!
Happy
It burnt.
Independence Day.
Yeah, good job. Put it in there.
You like fireworks?
Yay!
You're
getting
Here's the last two.
Here you go.
Like it?
Yay.
Mommy doesn't like it.
All right, so we are going to light our first firework off before it pours down rain, and Bobby is going to light it up for us.
Light it up.